In this video, we are going to test 4 different microphones in different price ranges to find out which is the perfect mic for your next YouTube video. The first microphone that we have is Digitech Eco. I think this is the model name of that Digitech microphone. Next we have Rode Wireless Go 2, and I am recording this audio as well in a Rode microphone. At third number we have Blue Yeti microphone, and at last we have at fourth number Lewitt LCT 240 Pro, which is my favorite. These all 4 microphone comes in different price ranges. So today we are going to compare all these 4 microphones and find out which is the perfect mic for video recording. So make sure to wear headphones because we are going to test each one of them and each one will be sound different. To catch that different sounds, you must wear headphones, right? So let's get started. I'm really sorry for the setup change, but when I recorded that video, I forget to turn on the recording of Digitech microphone, and that's why the audio was not recorded. So now I have to record it separately. So this is how this microphone sounds. It comes with the 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. This is the transmitter that I have, and this is the second transmitter. Like 2 people simultaneously can speak in this, can use it at the same time. And there is 1 receiver also, which is exactly similar to these. So this transmitter is sending audio form to the receiver that is mounted over my camera, and that's how it records the audio. And the battery life of this microphone is really good. It can last up to 10 to 15 hours. The price of this microphone is around 3 to 4,000 rupees. I will put the official pricing from the Digitech over here or somewhere in the video, right? You can check out the link in the description for this microphone. Apart from this, let me tell you about Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is a sound library where you get over 50,000 music tracks and 2 lakh plus sound effects, which you can use in your videos without worrying about any copyright issues. On Epidemic Sound, you can find music by mood, style, genre, artist, any category you want. But if you don't want to invest that much time like I do, you can use their AI assistant and explain your project to it. And Epidemic Sound will find the right music tracks that suits your video. It's really insane because anyone who knows video editing knows how much time it takes to find that right background music. Beside this, Epidemic Sounds has a studio feature where if you upload your video, it will automatically adds music track and sound effects according to your video, which is mind-blowing because now you don't have to worry about sound designing at all. And if you want, you can adjust them according to your preference and change them too. You have all creative freedom. And right next to studio, you have the adapt feature, which you can use to manually edit a soundtrack as well. If you don't like the certain part in the middle of a soundtrack, then no problem, you can just remove it. It's that simple. Epidemic Sound is the best tool for sound and music because no other tool gives you this much creative freedom and productivity. And with the safe list option, you can add all of your social media accounts so that they will always be protected for using Epidemic Sound. Click on the first link in the description to try the Epidemic Sound for free. So my experience with this mic is not so good because it only records the highs of your vocals, like the steep penny आवाज जो होती हैं, it only records those. It does not record your low frequencies that are coming from your diaphragm or your stomach. It only records the high frequency mostly. So I think this microphone lacks in recording the lower frequencies. You have heard the sound of this mic, so do let me know in the comments if it sounds good to you or how it sounds to you. Do let me know in the comments. Let's move to the next mic. Okay, so now the audio that you are listening to right now is coming from this Rode wireless mic. I think this is much better and much higher quality from the Digitech wireless mic. And while telling about all these microphone, you saw me that I was speaking on this microphone, that the voice was coming from this microphone. And the price of this microphone is around 25,000 rupees, I think. The original price will be showed up over here. And I think this is the perfect mic if you are recording outside, and if you you can stick the microphone over here on your clothes or somewhere else. I have used so many different wireless microphones before, but I think this is the best wireless mic that I have used. And yeah, do let me know your thoughts as well in the comment section. So let's move forward and try our Blue Yeti microphone. Okay, so the audio that you are listening to right now is coming from this Blue Yeti microphone. I think I never used this microphone before. This is my first time using this microphone. I'm going to listen to the audio of this microphone while I'm editing this video, right? So it have volume knob, like you can control the volume, and right here you have the like I think the gain volume, like you can control the gain. With the help of gain, you can increase the threshold of recording the audio. Like if you rotate the knob over to the right, then the threshold of the voice recording will be much higher and it will record much louder voice. So you have to calibrate and rotate this gain knob according to your voice, and it totally depends on you. So the price of this microphone is around 11,000. And do let me know in the comments how this mic sounds, because I had never used this microphone and this is my first time using it. Okay, so now we are shifted to my favorite microphone. I think I have to bend little bit over here left side because this mic deserves it. Right, this is the Lewitt LCT 240 condenser microphone, and you can listen to the audio quality of this microphone. The only reason that I use this microphone is because this is condenser microphone and it gives you full freedom to all frequencies. You can tweak all frequencies in post production. The price of this microphone is around 10,000 rupees, but there is a catch. It won't run without this Focusrite interface that you are seeing. So yeah, these are the audio test of these all 4 microphones. So yeah, that's it for this video. You will get a link of all these products in the description. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video.